Hello viewers, today I have brought a brand new idea for you, along with a new channel that I created today. This type of niche is currently trending and gaining a massive number of views. So without wasting any time, first of all, you need to open YouTube. After opening YouTube, search for the channel Dagger. This channel has more than 5 million subscribers and has uploaded 618 videos. This channel is monetized and is earning approximately 97.1K per month. Its view growth is very high, and you can clearly see how many views it has gained so far. The category is gaming, and the country is Spain. This channel is very impressive and highly trending. So today, I will teach you how to create videos like this channel using 2 free tools. Yes, viewers, 2 free tools. One you may already know, but I will also introduce a completely new tool that is 100% free. Okay, viewers, so let's start the video. First of all, let me show you the uploaded shorts. When you open the short section, you can see that even though only 5 to 6 shorts are uploaded, they have gained 9 million, 6 million, 3.2 million, 6.4 million, and 4.4 million views. Okay, viewers, this is very impressive performance. Now, if we look at the long videos, they are also uploaded properly in a 16:9 ratio. If I go to the popular section, you can see videos with 11 million, 11 million, 10 million, 9.6 million, and 8.5 million views. All of these videos are trending. So viewers, both shorts and long-form videos are performing extremely well. And today, I will teach you how to create both types of content, shorts and full-length videos. You can create unlimited videos, whether you want to make 10-minute videos or 60-second shorts, because the tool I will show you allows unlimited video creation and is 100% free. So without wasting time, let's move to our master prompt. I have already generated the master prompt. As you can see, this is the master prompt. You can copy and paste it. It will also be available in the description. Simply copy it from there and paste it. When you do that, your prompts will be automatically ready. Now I will briefly explain what it includes: storytelling, image prompts, video prompts, on-screen text, and voiceover. You just need to copy it. Now let's open ChatGPT. Simply paste the master prompt here and click on Generate. After a short wait, you can see, oh my god, viewers, this is amazing. Scene-by-scene prompts are now ready, including video prompts, screen text, and voiceover. Everything is perfectly generated. You can review each scene one by one. The storytelling is properly structured and all prompts are highly engaging and trending. I personally really like these prompts. So what I will do is copy all of them and save them in a document file. This will make it easier for me to generate images and create videos. Now, after saving, let's move to the image section. For image generation, I will open Flow AI, which is 100% free. After opening it, go to Create with Flow, select the model, and paste the first prompt. Then click on Generate and wait for a few seconds. And boom, you can see that the first image is ready with a consistent character and excellent quality. Now, to save time, I will not generate each scene one by one in front of you. Instead, I will copy and paste all remaining scene prompts. Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and so on. So all images are generated together. This helps me check whether the character remains consistent across all scenes and whether the storytelling is properly followed. Now, I will download a few of these images in 2K quality. I have downloaded around 5 to 6 images. So now, let's move on to our first tool, which is 100% free. Okay, viewers, now you need to open Google Cloud. Here, a new tool called Gemini Enterprise has been introduced. You don't need to worry, the link will be available in my description, and you can access it from there. Okay, viewers, this tool is absolutely amazing, and it is 100% free. I will guide you step by step, and you just need to follow exactly as I show you. So, without wasting time, click on Start Free 30-Day Trial. After clicking, it will ask for your email, specifically a work email. Don't worry, I will guide you. Simply open a temporary email website, copy any email from there, paste it here, and click Continue. After that, a verification code will be sent. Wait for a moment, copy the verification code from the temp mail, paste it here, and click Verify. Now you can see, viewers, the 100% free Gemini Enterprise is now open. Here, you can enter any name you like. I used AI Skills Zone as my channel name and signed in. Now you can see the website is open. If we talk about the tools available here, you will find options like image generation, Nano Banana 2, and video creation 3.1. But today I will use Create Video 3.1. So I click on it, upload my first image, and enter the prompt in the prompt section. After entering the prompt, I click on the Generate option. When you see thinking, it means the video generation has started. It usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes. After that, you can see, oh my god, my first video is ready in 16:9 ratio. And you can see how amazing the output looks with a very professional style. This means this tool is 100% free and works extremely well. Now I upload my second image, give it a proper prompt, and click Generate again. You can see it is in thinking mode, which means the video is being generated. And now, as you can see, my second video is also ready. Oh my god, this tool is so amazing and trending. It can generate 16.9 videos in just 1 minute, completely free. Now viewers, you can go to the upload section and upload all your videos here. Gemini Enterprise is 100% free. I am explaining this again and again. It creates 8-second videos with good voiceover. Now I will download these videos one by one. You should also download them. Now for the remaining videos, I will use the second tool, Flow AI. But from Flow AI, I will create short-form videos. For shorts, I will again go to Flow AI where I generated images earlier. After generating images, I will select them one by one. You simply need to select each image, give a prompt, and start generating. I will select any 3 images, give them prompts, and start generating. After a short time, the videos will be ready.
The night was unforgiving.
This was the moment.
After that, we move to the final step. Now our final work is in CapCut. Viewers, open CapCut, drag and drop all your videos into the timeline. After that, arrange them in sequence. Now I will show you step by step. First, I will place the shorts clips at the beginning and the 16.9 videos after them. And now you can see all my videos are ready. If any logo appears, you can remove it using the available options. But I just wanted to show you the final look, that this is how you can create videos like this. Okay viewers, we hope you liked today's video. We also hope that you stay connected with us and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more trending videos and ideas. So please make sure to subscribe. We really need your support. See you in the next video with a new idea. Goodbye.